एक क्लिप है जिसमें मैंने उनको पॉइंट ब्लैंक बोला है कि आपका नाम भी सर्कुलेट हो रहा है। अगर आपने वो क्लिप देखा हो तो इट्स फॉर मी एंड किसी और प्लेयर के लिए भी ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है कि वो ट्रेटर भी हो सकते थे या इनोसेंट। रिगार्डलेस मुझे वो एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ फेलो प्लेयर उनकी एनर्जी बहुत पसंद आई। उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ मल्लिका जी के बारे में जैसे कहा था, बहुत कुछ। तो वो कई चीज़ें उसमें से मे बी तो इतना ज़्यादा, और उसके बाद उनकी अपना
वो टेबल पे जो हुआ
उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि शायद नहीं, शायद ये खुद ही गलत हैं क्योंकि देखिए मैं भी उनको उन्हीं 2 दिनों पहली बार मिली थी, उन्हीं 2 दिनों में।
So you wanted to be a girl's girl because he also said कि आप कम बैक कर रहे हो और आपने ये सब किया है और आप पेरिस जा सकती थी, तो you felt like it was not required.
हाँ, दैट ऑल्सो, एंड देन आई फेल्ट कि ठीक है, आप अपना जो भी आपने बोलना है आप एक बार बोल दीजिए, बट तो एकदम ही मल्लिका जी पे आ गया था। मल्लिकाज वॉज अ फेस विच इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेट एंड उनकी आईज एकदम खुली हुई ऐसे बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट थी। और मैं ऑफ कोर्स उनको जानती हूँ उनकी मूवीज से, सॉन्ग से, बट एज इन रियल में मुझे नहीं समझ, मेरे को लगा कि शायद इतने वो हैं तो शायद वो हो सकता है ये,
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. I am already feeling that the vibes are getting fabulous, positive and absolutely interesting. My guest is just like that. I'm talking about Shalini Pasi. Thank you for doing this. Hello.
Hello Rudani, lovely to see you.
Of course it is. The vibes are already feeling fabulous. But of course, we are here to discuss so much that's happening in your life. पहले तो एक बहुत important सवाल करनी है मुझे आज से. Are you ready for it? You'll be honest, right?
Yeah, very honest.
Traitor या innocent हो आप?
हाँ,
Traitor या innocent
क्या?
हो आप? This is not what I'm
Audio, guys, audio is not.
Audio में issues लग रहा है ना?
ऑडियो में इशू लग रहा है थोड़ा मैम का,
But
इंद्रानी मैम का।
Rudrani.
How many
Sir.
times have I called you Indrani?
You have called me Indrani because now you've chosen to call me Indrani. Just the way you chose to call मुनावर मान्यवर. हाँ, उसके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहिए? अभी पता चला है उसका नाम मान्यवर है. स्पेलिंग ऑल्सो आई थिंक स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग किया था ना when you took his name.
नहीं, वो एक्चुअली मैंने MAL लिखा था, मैंने मल्लिका जी का नाम लिखा था, क्योंकि जब सर्कल ऑफ शक में उन्होंने अपना मास्क ढाया था तो सब प्लेयर्स एक दूसरे की तरफ देख रहे थे। मैं भी मल्लिका जी की तरफ जब मैंने देखा तो उनका बिल्कुल एकदम स्ट्रेट था और वो एकदम आईज वर वाइड, एंड आई नो हर एज अ एक्ट्रेस, अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्ट्रेस एंड अ डांसर, बट seeing her in first time, I didn't know whether she is or not. So I had written Mallika, and then I had a change of mind and change of heart.
तो चलिए अब जब हम शुरुआत कर ही दिया है हमने सर्कल ऑफ शक के बारे में, तो वहीं से शुरुआत करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स गो देयर.
Yes.
So that circle of शक मुनावर वाला.
Yeah.
पहले तो मुझे जानना है कि because I know you all had a brief conversation
Yes.
which we saw. उसमें
Yes.
बहुत ज़्यादा बातें हुई होंगी.
Yes.
And then you all had to say very interesting things in the video about each other.
Yeah.
Where that Munawar Manewar happened and Munawar said, क्या बोले शालिनी जी के बारे में? So you must have seen that, right? Have you?
हाँ, मैंने देखा है। अब जब एपिसोड आया मेरी एक्चुअली मुनव्वर के साथ काफ़ी बात हुई थी, उनके साथ मैं कार में भी थी जब
जी.
तो क्या होता है कि कई लोग जो कुछ ऐसे शब्द बोलते हैं तो उनका आ जाता है, तो मेरा नहीं था, मैं उनके बिल्कुल पीछे ही बैठी थी और मैं गाड़ी में इसलिए बैठी थी कि उनको गेम का काफ़ी आइडिया था, एंड आई थॉट आई लाइक हिज एनर्जी, ही वॉज प्लेइंग फ्रंट फुट, सो आई थॉट थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा क्योंकि सारे प्लेयर्स को मैं नहीं, सिर्फ 6 प्लेयर्स को मैं जानती थी, उसमें से जानती मतलब मैं एक बार किसी बड़े फंक्शन पे उनको देखा था या ऐसे था, बाकियों को तो मैं जानती भी नहीं थी। तो मैंने कहा इनको बहुत पता है, तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मेरे को भी समझ आया कि कौन क्या है, किसका नेचर कैसा है। तो एक तो वो था, दूसरा उसमें इसके बाद भी मेरी कॉन्वर्सेशन हुई थी। इनफैक्ट एक क्लिप है जिसमें मैंने उनको पॉइंट ब्लैंक बोला है कि आपका नाम भी सर्कुलेट हो रहा है। अगर आपने वो क्लिप देखा हो तो इट्स फॉर मी एंड किसी और प्लेयर के लिए भी ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है कि वो ट्रेटर भी हो सकते थे या इनोसेंट। रिगार्डलेस मुझे वो एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ फेलो प्लेयर उनकी एनर्जी बहुत पसंद आई, इसलिए मैंने उनको ये स्ट्रेट बिना डर के कि बिना लोग मेरे
You warned him,
because I thought he is a great player and I think he is a great player and I liked his energy because he was very kind towards me, and he was somebody who was playing front foot, and he was very inclusive in, you know, his whatever his ideas were.
You're right. Which is why I'm glad you brought it up because I was going to bring it up. तो मुझे लगा था कि इससे मैं थोड़ी shocked हो गई to see you mention Munawar because you were actually the one who went and told Munawar कि आप अपना गेम देख लो, ये सब चल रहा है अभी.
हाँ, क्योंकि आई वॉज वेरी श्योर कि यू नो ये सही है.
बदलाव क्यों हुआ?
क्योंकि एक्चुअली जब जो 45 मिनट्स जो आप देखते हैं उसके वो 2 डेज का होता है बेसिकली, है तो बहुत कुछ उसमें होता है. सो एक तो आई थिंक जो वो बहुत उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ मल्लिका जी के बारे में जैसे कहा था, बहुत कुछ. तो वो कई चीज़ें उसमें से मे बी तो इतना ज़्यादा, और उसके बाद उनकी अपना
वो टेबल पे जो हुआ
उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि शायद नहीं, यू नो शायद ये खुद ही गलत हैं. क्योंकि देखिए मैं भी उनको उन्हीं 2 दिनों पहली बार मिली थी, उन्हीं 2 दिनों में.
So you wanted to be a girl's girl because he also said कि आप कम बैक कर रहे हो और आपने ये सब किया है और आप पेरिस जा सकती थी, तो you felt like it was not required.
हाँ, दैट ऑल्सो. एंड देन आई फेल्ट कि ठीक है, आप अपना जो भी आपने बोलना है आप एक बार बोल दीजिए, बट तो एकदम ही मल्लिका जी पे आ गया था. सो देन आई थॉट कि मे बी ये भी एक टैक्टिक हो सकता है, क्योंकि अगर आप देखें बाकी प्लेयर्स एक दूसरे को पहले से जानते थे, उनको पता था वो हैं. सो मेरे लिए बहुत नया था.
शायद आपके लिए मल्लिका के साथ आपका बॉन्ड कैसा था? क्योंकि पहला नाम तो आपने मल्लिका को लिखा था, दैट मीन्स आप ऑब्जर्व तो कर रही थी. क्या ऑब्जर्वेशंस थी और क्यों आपको लगा कि मे बी शी माइट बी द ट्रेटर?
क्योंकि जब पहले जब करण जी ने हमें कहा था ब्लाइंड फ्लोर उतारने के लिए, तो बेसिकली हम सब एक दूसरे की तरफ देख रहे थे, कोई किसी का फेशियल ट्विच होएगा या कोई इंटेंस होएगा या कोई टेंस होएगा या किसी के. सो आई वाज आल्सो नोटिसिंग एवरीबडी. मेरे साइड में जैसे अभिषेक क्रिस्टल है, तो उनका फेस तो आई कुड नॉट सी, लाइक यू नो द 2 people दैट आर हियर, उनके फेसेस वन कैन नॉट सी मोस्टली बिकॉज द अदर्स यू कैन रीड. सो मल्लिकाज वाज अ फेस विच इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेट, एंड उनकी आईज एकदम खुली हुई ऐसे बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट थी. और मैं ऑफ कोर्स उनको जानती हूँ उनकी मूवीज से, सॉन्ग से, बट एज इन रियल में मुझे नहीं समझ, मेरे को लगा कि शायद इतने वो हैं तो शायद वो हो सकता है ये, यू नो.
What did you think about the conversation that happened between Riya and Mallika? You know, Mallika made that comment कि आप जेल से वो करने वाले हो, वो पर्सनल, बिकॉज वहाँ पे अब सब बातें चल रही थी, बिकॉज आई थिंक everybody was feeling very disappointed कि हमने एक innocent को मार दिया.
No, it was after the
So you
circle
were
of.
very upset.
I was upset to the, you cannot imagine, I couldn't eat. I felt like, you know, for me, loyalty is very important. And I actually genuinely felt that I had betrayed a human being, a friend, a fellow player who did not even know me. So forever, for the rest of his life, he will think I'm not a loyal person, you know, but I'm not that, you know. So for me to, that burden I was carrying. And, you know, after that, I thought that, you know, so everyone was like, but it was all everybody's first time in the palace, and it's a very intense atmosphere, and you know people, it's a game of deception as well. So the atmosphere was very intense, everyone was at each other.
But which I was talking about Riya and that
Yeah.
little bit of an altercation.
Yes.
क्योंकि she was getting offended कि मुनव्वर ने टेबल पे बोला था जो भी उनके बारे में बोला था, और
Yeah.
कि आप यू नो आपका कमबैक हो रहा है शायद, आपका ये, और उस बात से वो इतनी offended थी. But then it is true that the remark that she made about Riya was even more personal.
So for me, on a personal level, away from the show, and I have always made a conscious effort to support women, to not to pull down anybody, because I know how difficult it is as a woman to be wherever they are, you know, whether even when it's a housewife or a businesswoman or anybody, you know, a mother, a wife, a daughter. Even when you are from a privileged family, there's still women really have to struggle, make a point. So it's principally, I will never pull down a girl, ever. And I feel that I think that stand for me is very important.
Which is why you had that flip with Munawar ki on that table, right?
Yeah.
This is extremely interesting बिकॉज आई फील दैट यू आर अमंग द वंस हु जो खुद ही वीडियो में बोल रहे थे कि मेरे लिए अच्छा है कि ये समझते हैं कि मैं डम हूँ और मैं डिल्यूजनल हूँ और मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. It's actually true because you are right now flying under the radar.
Yeah.
हाँ और and I think हमने पहले ही बात की है आपके a lot of women go through this. Beautiful, strong, quiet women are always assumed ki pretty and dumb, which is a very, very sexist thing to say. But I think it comes from that experience, right? That people always tend to think like, oh, she's quieter, calmer, whatever. Because you said it. You said like, it's okay if you think I'm dumb or whatever.
No, I didn't say, yeah, of course I said it's okay. For me, the real challenge was that I have this larger than life personality. I have a huge ego. I like things, you know, when I walk in, I want everyone to hear me. I have my own opinions. I'm a one-man army. But I wanted to play the game. So I had to conceal
The parts that you can't show so that.
I had to conceal like being this larger than life, which I have always been my whole life. So
Were you okay? How did you
let's see. That you'll come to know. How long could I? It's difficult.
Of course. You know, one man army की बात की तो मुझे पता है कि लोग भेड़चाल में चढ़ तो रहे थे. Unfortunately, the biggest example of Munawar being sacrificed out there was भेड़चाल.
Yeah.
वो conversation हुई, Abhishek, all of them.
Absolutely.
You were not influenced by that conversation then, were you? उस समय पे जब वो लोग
Not, I have sat there and I have told Munawar that आपका नाम भी आ रहा है. I wanted to warn him because everyone knew that he's playing this thing. And
Strong player.
he's a strong player and he is, you know, he is giving out names and, you know, whatever the thing is. So I, as a fellow player, and I thought that he had a great game going. I wanted to warn him because you know, I didn't know that whatever conversation would be also be put in what he and I had, but I honestly have a lot of respect for him, you know.
Yeah.
And as an artist, and even, you know, he shared with me that he's had a baby, and also we had all that conversation. So, so I honestly wanted him to be safe. That's why I told him, at the risk of 3 other players listening to what I'm telling, if you know what I'm saying, I didn't say it, Munawar, please come to the side, I want to tell you something. That's what people were doing because they were very scared. I sat there and I openly told him, and that's a very key point. That's it. Because people don't have the guts to, they want to shout and say it, but politely, clearly.
आपको अभिषेक के गेम के बारे में क्या कहना है? Because I mean, of course, ये तो हुआ था जहाँ पे he clearly said that,
Yeah.
You know, he's a strong player, जो भी है सबको influence कर रहा है. Munawar उसको निकालते ही निकालते हैं. He and of course there are others. Harman also started added to that conversation and stuff. But what do you have to think of the start? And by the end of the 3rd episode, looks like he was instrumental in telling his brother bye-bye.
So that's, you know, so like Harman and Abhishek are apparently great friends. And Abhishek I met once on another show set, like briefly, hi, hello. Harman I have never met. Most of them I've never, but they know each other. So Abhishek knows how Harman is and Harman knows how Abhishek is. Now, I don't know any of them. I don't know how they are, how they speak, how they have been in their lives, what are their traits, what are their qualities, what are they like, how do they speak, where they come from, how far they will go to do anything, right? So for me, I'm playing blind. It's like I don't know, but they know me because they'll watch a lot of television, whatever. For me, it's like I'm from Delhi and I'm in a different kind of space. So, and so that's how, I mean, I think Abhishek played a great game. Like, he's really wonderful. And Harman was the captain of that team. And I was not feeling very well and he'd offered me a Lectrol and he said, this will make you feel better. So I took one and the next day he asked me that, do you want another one? So I knew he's going. And it's not on camera there. So yeah, it's like when we knew before the Circle of Shak, he asked me that, do you want another one? I said, can I have 2? मैंने कहा ये तो जाने वाला है, मैं ले लेती हूँ.
बिकॉज यू ऑल आपका भी शक पक्का हो गया था.
हाँ, because the thing is that
अभिषेक की बातों पे भी कन्विंस हो रहे थे आप?
also the body language, the eye thing, so all that, of course, is there because obviously also you project also, right? If somebody says something, like we are human beings, we have fear, we have everything in us. So also if somebody says something and then you project it also, right? So I think maybe projection, maybe this thing, but regardless, I said, you know what, I think he's gonna go. And I want my electoral. So I said, Hanji, please, give me 2. He said, of course, I'll give you 2. He gave me 2 amulets. I was thinking he should ask for 3. The 3 might make it too obvious.
क्यों मांग रही है अभी?
कल भी तो ले सकती है. So can I take? So that was it. And then honestly, for me, yeah.
क्या आपको लगता है you would have been a good traitor? अभी तक पता नहीं, हो सकती हो आप, but I'm saying like do you think so? Because perception अलग होगा. करण भी वहाँ पे बैठ के पूछ रहे थे आप लोगों ना कि आपको ट्रेटर बनना है, innocent बनना है.
Yeah. So the game is like basically traitors are like the Hydra monster. You cut one,
Another comes.
So there's that only the episodes will reveal, what happens and what doesn't happen. But yeah, it is a game of deception, and
And for someone like you who doesn't like deception, what do you think? How would you say you're doing?
I think for me the biggest challenge is to deal with my own thoughts and emotions because I'm hypersensitive, and for me it's like when I see people fighting with each other, I get truly pained even if I don't know them, and it's just like I think that empathy is just there because I feel like we all are in the same situation. I believe in the collective karma, like this say, you have collective karma of the city, like kahin flood aata hai ya kuch hota hai ya acha hota hai, so it's the collective karma of the place. Or so I believe in that, and I genuinely believe that if 21 of us in a same place, that we must be connected in some way, regardless of traitor or this thing. So for me, it's a very different thing when I see people. I just like get very
Reactive to it.
and not reactive, just very dense for me.
तो उसी बात पे पूछना ज़रूरी है आपसे कि जब आप वहाँ ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी एंड यू ऑब्जर्व पीपल वेल, किसको देख के लगा कि नहीं हम लोग तो वाइब करेंगे और यहाँ से वाइब मुझे सही नहीं आ रही है? लाइक पीपल ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ एनर्जी. और किनको आप दोस्त कहोगे घर पे इन दैट ट्रेटर हाउस?
आई थिंक दोस्त तो सारे ही बन गए अच्छे. पहले मुझे लगा था कि अंश के साथ मैं नहीं वाइब करूँगी, बट अंश बहुत ही स्वीट है, मैं उनसे बहुत बात करती हूँ. साहिल से मुझे लगा था कि बिल्कुल नहीं, साहिल भी. एंड पारुल से भी लगा था कि क्योंकि जब थोड़े किसी की ना एनर्जी थोड़ा शिफ्टिंग होती है ना, तो फिर आई ऑल्सो गेट वेरी दिस थिंग. बट फिर नाउ लाइक आई एम फ्रेंड्स विद ऑल ऑफ देम, आई लव ऑल ऑफ देम. सो
तो थोड़े ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो आपके थोड़ा इनर सर्कल में हो जाते हैं ना, बहुत सारे.
Yeah.
उनमें से कौन है और क्यों?
So मेरे को मलिका and Shweta and very fond of Sahil and very fond of Ansh. I like Abhishek a lot, but we are not very close. But of course, if there's anything, because he's also very busy. उन्होंने अभी ये असम में करा है, so I felt super proud. And I told him, listen, I'm coming with you because I also do a lot of work with UNICEF in Bihar. So I said, listen, ये जो आपने करा है ये तो मतलब it is the best. Like there are videos of Abhishek where he is in the mud and he's pulling the foot. And I told him, I said, जब मैं भी मतलब मैं गई थी तो मतलब ऐसे. So हम लोग यहाँ बैठ के हमें रियलाइज़ नहीं होता कि कितना है, बट आई फेल्ट वेरी प्राउड कि मेरा एक को प्लेयर वहाँ गया है. एंड इट्स अ थॉट, लोग सोचते हैं कि अपनी ज़िंदगी में से 2-3 दिन निकालना कहीं, इस बहुत बड़ी बात है. बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ा दिल चाहिए होता है ऐसे करने वाले, जाके करना काम, बहुत बहुत दिल चाहिए होता है. क्योंकि वो जो सिचुएशंस होती हैं वहाँ, रोड्स हैं, इट्स नॉट, एंड इट शेक्स यू, इट मेक्स यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट रियलिटी इज.
जी. मलिका की बात की आपने, तो मलिका और श्वेता, सो दोनों के साथ मैं दोनों के साथ की बॉन्ड, और व्हाई डिड यू ग्रेविटेट टुवर्ड्स? होता है ना एक एनर्जी इंसान का समझने में, एंड देयर गेम्स, उनको शो में कैसा ऑब्जर्व किया आपने उन दोनों को?
तो एक्चुअली दोनों ही, मलिका इज द क्वीन एंड शी इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल डांसर, ब्यूटीफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग। श्वेता जी ओटी पे मतलब उन्होंने जो कसौटी मैंने कब देखा नहीं है, बट वुड लव टू सी इट बिकॉज ऑफ हर। एंड आई थिंक श्वेता जी, उनका तो बाल बाल तक एक्टिंग करता है, मतलब उनकी आईज आर सो एक्सप्रेसिव, यू नो, व्हेन आई, her face is so expressive, her eyes are expressive, you know, or you know what I mean, that you, when you see her, you know, like, you know, she's frowning and you know that thing, and then I remember जब वो हमें म्यूजियम में जाना था, सो सबने कहा कि हु इज़ द मोस्ट ट्रस्टवर्दी पर्सन, सो अभिषेक said कि शालिनी जी आप, मतलब लाइक दे ट्रस्टेड मी, सो शालिनी जी और श्वेता, एंड देन क्रिस्टल भी हमारे साथ आ गई थी। सो शी सेड कि हमने किसको करें, तो हमने कहा आई थिंक बॉयज़ में से किसी को करना चाहिए, क्योंकि बॉयज़ ने शील्ड ली थी, यू नो।
सही, आई डोंट नो।
सो देन उन्होंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, ये रणवीर शेफ को कर देते हैं नॉल, सो उनको फिर हम मार देते सो उसके बाद में जब बाकी सब ने, हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम बदलेंगे नहीं, राइट,
करेक्ट।
उसके बाद में सब ने जब बदल दिया, तो श्वेता जी ने आके तो सबको बहुत डांटा। तो मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि यार अब छोड़ दो यार, बच्चे हैं, बदल लिया। सब डरते थे, यू नो, सबको था कि हमें शील्ड मिल जाए, हम रात को सोएंगे, हम शील्ड मिल जाए, हम रात को सोएंगे, सबका यही था।
बट आप पे वो डर था, आई डिडंट सी इट, यू वर रियली हैविंग फन, आई थिंक, जितना मैं देख रही थी आपको, यू नो। द ओनली टाइम आई सॉ यू स्कैर्ड वाज जब वो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड का प्रोमो आया है, और वहाँ पे जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि आप ऐसे लपक के आप
अब देखिए ना नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में जब मैं लपकी थी,
तो वो सिर्फ मोमेंट मुझे लगा था, बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक यू हैव बीन यू नो रियली ट्राइंग टू बी योरसेल्फ एंड जस्ट एंजॉय आल्सो, है ना?
मतलब जो चीज़ आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, तो उसको लाइक अगर आप, इफ़ यू स्विम अगेंस्ट द टाइड, यू आर गोना गेट एग्जॉस्टेड,
जी।
यू हैव टू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो।
चाहे ऑफ कोर्स ये शो बहुत ही अलग है आपके पहले रियलिटी शो से। आई थिंक करण इज अ डिफरेंट पर्सोना इन दिस, यू नो, ही इज सच अ वाइब विथ हिज आउटफिट्स एंड फुल ड्रामेटिक एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फैबुलस व्हिच इज ऑब्वियसली मोर रियल एंड विटी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। मुझे ये जानना है कि करण से क्या बातें हुई शो ज्वाइन करने से पहले, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर यू हैड अ कॉन्वर्सेशन, राइट?
एक्चुअली मैं बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल हूँ व्हेन इट कम्स, बिकॉज करण होस्ट हैं, उनका काम एक मेंटेन करना है प्लेयर्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस। अगर मुझे यू नो अगर फेवरेटिज्म या कुछ चाहिए होता तो मैं अपना शो खुद ही बना लेती। सो मैं यहाँ पे काम करने आई हूँ, और मैं मतलब यू नो आई लाइक टू मेक द रूल्स। सो मैं ये देखना चाहती हूँ कि मैं एम आई डिसिप्लिन्ड, मैं दूसरों के रूल्स में जी पाऊँगी कि नहीं, कि मुझे हमेशा ये आदत है कि मैं अपने रूल्स खुद बनाऊँ, सब मेरी बात सुने, मैं किसी की बात सुन सकती हूँ कि नहीं। तो मैं खुद ही अपने पे ही एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रही थी। आई वॉज रनिंग माई ओन शो इन माई ओन हेड एंड डूइंग माई ओन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विद माई ओन पर्सनैलिटी टू सी that what is possible, what is not possible, how far can I go, how far can I yeah, it's just that. Is that sometimes you try a new outfit, right? You get tired of your old outfit and say आज ये try करते हैं, चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, right?
जी बिल्कुल।
Experiment, right? Absolutely. I was also trying to do that.
शालिनी, एक गेम में एंटर करने से पहले थोड़ा तो रिसर्च करते हैं आप, तो पिछले सीजन्स देखे आपने, what was your research and who are the ones that you were like you really enjoyed in the last season as well?
So मैंने रिसर्च के लिए मैंने ट्रेटर सीजन 1 देखा, इंडिया एडिशन। मैंने यूके का ट्रेटर्स भी देखा, एंड उसके बियॉन्ड एज आई मेंशन टू यू, जनवरी में द बुक लॉन्च्ड एट जयपुर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल, एंड वी वर डूइंग बुक प्रमोशन सो कॉल्ड till March. And living in Delhi, being away from the industry, I had no idea कि कौन आ रहे हैं प्लेयर्स, कौन नहीं आ रहे हैं, ना ही मैं इनको जानती थी। तो मुझे कि बहुत यू नो बहुत लग रहा था कि एंड विच इज़ द ट्रूथ, कि क्या होता है कि अगर आप किसी को जानते हो पहले से, आपकी फ्रेंडशिप है या आपके किसी, तो वो एक आप उनको समझते हो कि वो या आपको ट्रस्ट करेंगे या आपको यू नो बिल्कुल सपोर्ट करेंगे या आपका कैंप बनेंगे। दो मेरे को था कि मैं तो बहुत कह रही थी कि वन ऑफ द बॉलीवुड वाइब्स से कोई मेरे साथ होता, मैं तो बहुत विश कर रही थी तो कि मेरा भी
Did you didn't tell them? Did you tell them that you're going for the show?
no, no, I didn't tell them because I didn't want to, because we were not allowed to disclose.
बिल्कुल.
सो मेरा बहुत दिल था कि मेरे साथ भी कोई हो जिसके साथ मैं गैंग अप कर सकूं, जिसके साथ मैं कैंप बना सकूं, बट आई वेंट इन एज अ वन सिंगल पर्सन।
What do you think would be great from them? यहाँ पे शो में who do you think would be
आई थिंक एवरीबडी वुड बी ग्रेट। अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपना जानने वाला जिसके साथ आपकी पास्ट हिस्ट्री हो, और जो
no from the fabulous
fabulous lives. I think Seema, Bhavna would be amazing. Neelam would be a lot of fun, and Mahip to already first season में थे.
So that's what I want to say. Did you ever chat with Mahip about how the experience of Traitors was, even without disclosing?
No,
You just didn't want.
because एक तो मैं I don't want to get impression by anybody's experience. One, second, like yeah, that, and I've always felt कि I want to do it my way. Like जो उस टाइम मेरे को ठीक लगेगा। कई बार क्या होता है आप बात करते हैं और वो आपके हो जाता है, but I didn't want that, and yeah.
And did you get time to watch Seema's Alliance bit? Or
Yes, I saw. In fact, I went there as a guest as well.
yes.
And it was quite amazing to be inside the house. It's a cute little house.
What do you think of Alliance?
I haven't watched it, but I saw some bits before. I think it's a good show, and I'm so happy Minnie has won it. So it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She's fabulous.
amazing. Yeah,
She's so good.
yeah, amazing.
Sharon, would you think of yourself inside a captive reality show, जैसे कि Big Boss होता है? Do you ever see yourself in a show like that? Because you said about experiments. मैंने कहा आपने ये experiment किया है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, right?
But never say never. I don't know. Like I'd say that never come in front of the camera, and here I am. I had a camera phobia till about 2018. मैं photographs भी नहीं खिंचवाती थी. तो मुझे never say never.
Because you're talking about reality shows, how can I not ask? कब आएगा हमारा Fabulous Lives का season?
बहुत जल्दी, बहुत जल्दी, बहुत
It is going to happen, right?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. We
There was
also
hope.
need time. We also need time to
Yeah.
be somebody that we.
And how has your friendships been from the show now, with everybody?
Yeah, I meet Seema, Mahip, Bhavna, Neelam. Yeah, I meet them when I come to Bombay. When they're in Delhi, they call and say hi sometimes. I meet them at parties. We wish each other on the birthday. Mahip's daughter's premiere, I was there.
Yeah.
So,
Fun.
yeah.
Bonds for life, isn't it?
Yeah, I've known them for a really long time.
So, do you miss Kalyani?
No, not really.
That's something that hopefully will figure out its own story, isn't it?
I don't know. It's like, for me, it's like I'm busy in my life, and I'm sure she's very busy in hers. And I wish, she does well, because we've had a great, we've had a great friendship. But I think sometimes people need to realize your value. So,
Fair enough. Shani, there is so much that the world assumes about you, right? Like, I like when you say that it's okay. I like the fact that my friends tell me that I'm in my delusional world.
Yeah.
Okay. And I know you mean it in the most positive way.
Yeah.
Some people say, oh, you're too delusional.
Yeah.
Tell me, when you enter a show like this, like you rightly said, how does that delusional world of yours change?
it doesn't actually.
It doesn't?
It doesn't, because that's what I said, that if I'm going in, because that's what protects you, otherwise you would go insane,
What,
being in your mind, in your space, like you have your own little shell around you, is what keeps you sane. It keeps you the way you are. Otherwise, you will get very corrupted by the world and the ideas and the thoughts around you. So, like, I live in a bubble, and I like that. It protects who I am. It helps me to be functional, and I like that. And it makes me effective without living with guilt or, having anything on my conscience.
humans can attempt to have everything on a high, but that's not possible. Were there moments in the show where you had breakdowns and lowdowns, when everything was a lot? And how did you deal with that?
It is a lot. It is a lot to take in. When I reached Jaisalmer, I started breaking out. And if you see in the shots, my face is really swelled up, and I'm like looking a little big because I had a lot of swelling because of the heat and whatever, maybe some reaction. And I had like a rash which I conceal, and I had like blisters in my mouth, and you can see in the camera I'm doing this, or it was very painful. So that was of course a physical aspect of things. But mentally, seeing players who are friends who going at each other, or people ganging, and then so it is very traumatic. It is very traumatic because you're just thinking, why is this happening, and what is going to happen. Is it like the dynamics just change so fast, and people are lying to your face, they are saying something else and they're saying something else at the back, and so
चलिए बात करते हैं ट्रेटर्स की.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ, क्रिस्टल जी जो ट्रेटर है और कुल्लू जी के गेम के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
I think Aditya Kulshestra, that is his full name, is he's a mastermind, and I think he's set this whole thing where I think he's great game he's playing, and he's kind of masterminded this whole thing. And yeah,
And Crystal,
yeah, it's amazing player. Yeah,
good job, isn't it?
yeah, good job. Yeah.
तो मैं आपको टैग्स दूंगी. You will have to tell me who fits this tag the best, and you'll have to give me like a one-liner explanation कि why you choose. ठीक है?
हाँ.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Let's go. आपने mastermind कहा तो पूछ ही देती हूँ. Who's the other mastermind of the house and why?
Who's the other? I think Kullu only.
Kullu is one. Is there any other mastermind?
Abhishek.
You want to explain in a line why you chose them?
I think we obviously knew like how they are moving everything, and they're like, okay, let's let Harman go now. He's like, now I'm not going to defend another one. I'd rather defend my own game. I'm not going to defend. And Abhishek, because he's also like trying to get his things. He knows everybody, but
Two-faced.
Two-faced.
जो मुंह पे कुछ और है, बाद में कुछ और कर रहा होता है. Which is the nature of the game.
I think it'll be the traitors only, no?
So all of them. Harman तो अभी नहीं है. The rest of them.
Actually, Harman was a very mild.
So you will give Kullu and this tag, na?
हाँ. I think all the traitors, no, two-faced, no? Because obviously they had to be that
Pretend. Okay. Who do you think is very honest in the whole show?
I think Sahil is very honest because he's saying he's petrified, and he's petrified, and he's turning red, and he's and I've warned him also. I said, Sahil, this look is not a good look, and you're not my friend, but trust me, this sooner was not a good look, and it's gonna really translate badly, and he had this phobia, I think, like since the first season. So
छुपा रुस्तम कौन है?
छुपा रुस्तम तो आप देखेंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे छुपे रुस्तम.
एक भी नहीं बोलोगे आप? आपके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं? अच्छा ठीक है. This is going to be a question mark. Okay, who do you think is the center of gossip? जो gossip king or queen or whatever?
Malika.
क्यों आपको बस explain तो करना है?
Malika is like, first दिन पे चलो let's play music, Shalini, you and I will dance. I'm like we are supposed to catch the traitor, and we are supposed to like protect ourselves, like where there's a dancing come in.
Who's your ride or die in the show?
What does that mean?
Ride or die जो होता है ना, जो दोस्त मतलब एकदम loyal दोस्त जो होता है. So your most loyal confidant होता है ना एक वैसा. क्या आपको पता ये तो मुझे back शायद मेरे साथ गलत ना करे.
Shweta and Malika.
Okay.
Shweta, Malika, Abhishek.
The one you think deserves to buck up कि मतलब shadows में ही घूम रहे हो और game बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा है. So who's the person who's not playing in the front foot, is playing only in the shadows?
I think maybe Ansh and Prish.
Yeah. You want to explain one-liner to the audience?
Time will tell, yeah.
Time will tell. I understand what you're saying. I love it.
But you see the shadows, it could be shadows for me, but the thing is not everybody talks to everybody, right?
Yeah, fair enough.
Not everybody talks to everybody. Like Tanya and I spoke many times, बट वो तान्या का नहीं रिलेट करता ना, वो दिख नहीं रहा कि तान्या बात कर रही है. लाइक कई लोगों ने बोला तान्या नहीं बात करी, बट तान्या ना यूज्ड टू स्पीक, यू नो. तो it's like sometimes you're all over and sometimes you're not all over, you know. That's your personality as well. Like
Correct.
Munawwar was speaking to everybody. And
Who do you think is the master manipulator?
traitors, of course.
All of them.
Traitors, of course, yeah.
जिसके लिए झूठ बोलना बहुत
I think Munawwar as well, but I think too soon. Too soon, I think.
थोड़ा सब्र करके करना चाहिए था ना उनका गेम.
Maybe because all of us, it was very new for all of us also. You see, it was very new that, you know, we had to just go on the face value of things that were happening.
Yeah. Now you'll have to give yourself a tag in the show.
Fabulous.
But on that note, you know, there are a lot of perceptions that will still exist. Na? People
Yeah.
like to judge other people, unfortunately. तो मुझे ये जानना है
Fortunately, because people like to say, otherwise very difficult, na? They like to compartmentalize. Yes, yes, it's easy for them and it's fine.
Absolutely. I'd like to end it by this. What are the perceptions that of people that have never bothered you? But, you know, when you do a show like this or you do more things, you write a book, slowly people see different sides of you.
Yeah.
So what would you like to tell them, the people who judge or perceive or are confused about who Shalini Pandey still is?
So, I often say that, you know, people who love you will always see good things in you and tell you good things. It's your critics. That's what you need. That is what is missing. Your friends will not come and tell you. Your critics will tell you कि ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, ये ठीक नहीं है. I've learned maximum from the people who don't like me. And I've learned the maximum from those situations. And sorry, your question I've fully
Digressed?
I digressed?
No, you have. You're talking absolutely right.
Okay.
सही बोल रहे हो आप.
Yeah. So for me, I think because, you know, all human beings have everything. You know, we are at times insecure. We might look secure, but we are insecure. We are ego. Then we also have empathy. We are like this. What comes out when is, yeah.
We'll of course have to end it by asking you, इतने सारे fabulous outfits we have seen from. So you'll have to tell me what you think of Karan as a host and whose outfits, like, do you think in the house that you've loved? People are obviously going to love your fabulous outfit.
Yeah. So Karan's whole outlooks were quite amazing. The coats and all his jewelry. I think Boo's out collars.
Yeah, love it.
And yeah, very cute, very adorable. Though she was not supposed to be cute and adorable, she's supposed to be. And I also felt like I said, you know, how can you call Boo like poor thing, you know? So that I thought everyone was very well dressed. I thought Sandhu's is a beautiful, beautiful girl. I really liked her outfit, the leather one. That was the last day we saw her. And I thought that I think everybody was great. It was also very hot, you know. So that.
But I love it. Everybody's fashion game was on point.
Yeah. We also had to be functional. So.
Of course. Even though I don't know, you all have managed to look in those outfits functional. Because I'm sure not all of them are very comfy. But it looked great.
Yeah. Thank you.
Of course. I think it's been a lot of fun. I'm waiting to watch more episodes. You're still in the game. I'm rooting for you.
Thank you.
And yeah, thank you for doing this.
Thank you.
Always. I think traitor or innocent, I'm sure you'll continue being fabulous.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.